In this project, we are going to restore the surface of this exterior oak door with Woodoc Water-Borne MARINE. This sealer is for use on exterior wooden surfaces exposed to extreme weathering and wear. It is available in clear, matte or gloss finish and provides a durable, strong and flexible exterior finish with excellent UV protection and water repellent qualities. The first step is to properly sand the wood down until the bare wood underneath is exposed, always working in the direction of the grain. Surface preparation is the hardest part of the job, but the more effort you put into it, the better your end result will be. Sanding a door vertically can prove quite challenging, so removing the door and sanding it horizontally will make the job much easier. It's also a good idea to tape up any glass where you'll be sanding to prevent scratching the surface. Depending on the surface area and the condition of the wood, sanding by hand might not be practical, and an orbital sander will get the job done much faster. Maybe you could even enlist a bit of extra help. Next, take a clean cloth and wipe off the surface to remove any dust. Then wipe down the wood with a cloth dampened with methylated spirits and allow it to dry. Now we are going to apply a single coat of Woodoc Water-Borne Plus Life Primer. This forms a protective foundation that will considerably extend the life of all Woodoc exterior waterborne sealers. So first, it's very important to thoroughly stir the contents with a flat spatula until it's properly mixed. Don't shake the tin, as this will create air bubbles which could spoil the surface. Now you're ready to apply a single generous coat of the primer onto the surface using a brush. Once complete, leave this to dry properly and do not sand this coat. Next, stir the Woodoc Water-Borne MARINE with a flat spatula. Stirring should also be done during application to ensure the contents remain properly mixed. Now we are going to apply 3 coats of Woodoc Water-Borne MARINE matte to the door. Always apply with the grain and use a good quality brush so that you don't leave bristles on the surface or create any air bubbles. To avoid runs, only dip the tip of the brush each time you use it. After the first coat of Water-Borne MARINE is completely dry, lightly sand it with a fine 320 grit sandpaper. Light sanding is key to ensure a proper bind between layers, and both the first and second coats need to be sanded. Now you will need to wipe down the surface of the wood with a clean dry cloth to remove all dust, and then wipe down the surface with a cloth dampened with methylated spirits. Once dry, you're ready to apply the second coat. Remember to intermittently stir the Woodoc Water-Borne MARINE, and then finish off your second coat. Once the second coat is completely dry, lightly sand the surface, then dust off and wipe down with methylated spirits. Now you're ready to apply the third and final coat, which must not be sanded. This quick drying waterborne product is simple to apply and suitable for all wood types, giving you an incredible finish. I trust that this video has been very informative, and if you have any questions, you are always welcome to call the Woodoc helpline. Good luck with your project.